Hello and welcome to this in the final series of Chapter 11 lectures, Diploma Programme Physics. This time we're going to talk about capacitance. What is capacitance? Well, a capacitor is a store for charge. So capacitance is the physical quantity of charge storage, if you like. And it's given the symbol big C, and the unit is the farad, capital F. Now in the simplest form, a capacitor is two conducting plates separated by an insulator. So here I have a wire, here I have one metal plate, here I have another metal plate which is parallel to that first plate, and then another wire separated by, in this case, air. Now that's what it would be in like real life, but normally you'd see this in a circuit diagram. We would translate this to this symbol. This is the symbol for the circuit, for the capacitor in the circuit diagram. Two parallel lines with wires coming off of it, and we would connect that with a cell, a battery, like this. Here I have a cell of voltage V and a capacitor of capacitance C. Now what happens is on the negative side, this is the negative side, this is the positive side, we will have an excess of electrons building up on the plate connected to the negative pole of the battery, and we'd have a lack of electrons, or an excess of positive charge building up on this side of the plate. In both of these cases, or in the DP physics course, you're only going to be dealing with what's called parallel plate capacitors. Now, what's the definition of capacitance, I hear you cry? What's the definition of capacitance, I hear you cry? Well, capacitance C is defined as the charge per unit voltage stored on a capacitor. Do a big box around that one. And the formula, or one formula for capacitance, is therefore charge divided by volume. So let's define the quantities. Little q is the charge on one plate. Of course, we measure charge in coulombs. Voltage is the potential difference between the plates. And that is, of course, measured in volts. And C, the capacitance, is the capacitance, and the units are either the farad, but because you can see that capacitance is defined as charge divided by voltage, it's also the same as coulombs per volt. That's the equivalent unit.